Welcome to Chapter 2, Installation of React App. Step 1. Install Node.js. Before you start the React installation process, you must have Node.js installed on your computer. You have to install Node first because ReactJS is a JavaScript library, and Node.js is a JavaScript runtime environment that allows you to run JavaScript on the server side. Go to the official Node.js website, https://nodejs.org, using a web browser. Click on the Downloads button on the homepage. Step 2. Install Visual Studio Code. Go to the website, Visual Studio Code, Code Editing. Redefined and download the IDE. Step 3. Install Create React App. In the terminal or command prompt, type the following command and press Enter, npx, Create React App My App. Step 4. Navigate to your React app. Folder, in the terminal or command prompt, type the following command and press Enter, cd My App. Step 5. Start the development server. In the terminal or command prompt, type the following command and press Enter, npm start. Lastly, open the React project in your code editor by typing in code. Your code editor, if you are making use of VS Code, should look like this. Installation process ends here. The next video guide through the folder structure of React App. Please like, comment, and subscribe.